Special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send us their microfiber hair towel 3-pack. They're in this nice compressed packaging. Let's open this on up here. Oh, so it's compressed inside of compressed. There we go. 1, 2, 3. And so these are microfiber. Feel very, very nice. And of course, we'll need somebody to kind of demonstrate exactly how these hair towels work. So I will have my wife throw one of these on her head when she gets out of the shower to show you how these work. You get 3 of them in this pack though. They feel very nice, just like microfiber should feel, in a couple of different colors as well. So let's show you what these look like. Aww. So there you are. How do you like your new microfiber?
I like it. It fits my long hair. I'm surprised. I got a lot of hair.
And so basically you just put it on your head and then pull it up, and there's a little loop right there that ties into the button. And bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for showing that, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thanks to the company for sending this to us. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.